everybody, Chef Britt with atbbq.com, and today we're making leftover turkey fried rice. So traditionally, fried rice is made in a wok over high heat, but today we're gonna use the Griddle. Okay, so I've got this rolling on high heat right now. I'm just gonna season my grill a little bit with a little neutral canola oil, and I'm just gonna sop it up here with my paper towel and just get it all ready to go. So the first thing I'm gonna do here before I throw this rice on the grill is I'm gonna break it up in the package here. All right, so this thing is smoking hot. We're gonna go ahead and just get our rice going. What's great about using this parboiled product is that it's already pretty much cooked. So we're gonna use the natural moisture in the rice to heat it through, but we're just gonna cook it until it gets a slight toast color to it. So I can already see a little bit of caramelization happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my vegetables going. About a teaspoon to a tablespoon's worth of vegetable oil. We'll get all of our onion in there. We'll get our zucchini and our garlic and our green onion. The trick is to keep things moving, and we'll just let all of those natural aromatic flavors come out of both the rice and the vegetables. All right, now that I'm getting a little color on my vegetables and my onions are starting to sweat through here, I'm gonna go ahead and season the rice and the vegetables with my smoke on wheels, pork marinade, and gochujang mixture. It's about a couple tablespoons of each. It smells very aromatic. You get that wonderful gochujang spice and sweetness and that slightly fermented flavor. All right, not much time left on this, so we're gonna go ahead and get our eggs cracking. All right, we'll just crack those right in, and then we'll start breaking them up immediately. All right, we'll fold it on in. Now we're gonna break it up a little bit. I'm gonna get it all mixing together. Can't forget, we're gonna throw down our turkey. Now this was some smoked turkey that Chef Tom had made. So he was kind enough to give me some of his leftovers, but you can use however much you have on hand. It all is just to be heated through and to extend your leftovers by making this fried rice. If you feel so inclined, feel free to add just a splash of this pork marinade on there. So that smoke on wheels marinade is gonna bring a nice sweetness as well as a briny saltiness to this meat, and season it to match our fried rice. All right. Oh yeah, it's got a nice heat level from that gochujang. It's not overly salty, although I was kind of afraid I was adding a little too much pork marinade at that point, but it really works well. And the vegetables, you can just kind of play around with whatever you've got. You know, you can go onion, carrot, peas if you want to go more traditional. And then you can also use really any leftover protein that you have. We just so happen to have turkey. And if you wanted to make this more breakfasty, I would just throw a fried egg on top. For those of you who haven't worked in professional kitchens, let's say, you may not be familiar with a flat top griddle. This is just a really versatile, grill that we use to put together great things like this, where you can have all the different components going and then just put it all together at once. It's also great for just a great smashed burger if you're interested in that. If you like today's recipe, feel free to head on over to atbbq.com/thesauce to see more, and we'll see you around.